Hello mga friends. Welcome to our Sci Talk. And for our Sci Talk today, we'll have a science word. Science word of the day. And our science word of the day is mirage. Kining mirage, I have heard this mirage many times during our science quiz bee way back when I was a teacher in Batu National High School. Pag-contest gali ba sa science quiz bee naagyo na ang word nga mirage. Shout out ni Ma'am Daprosa Binting, our education program supervisor during that time. Mirage is an optical phenomenon that creates the illusion of water and results from the refraction of light through a non-uniform medium. Sa ato pa, non-uniform medium from air and water, for instance. Mirages are most commonly observed on sunny days. So, kining mirage day makita lang nato during sunny days when driving down a roadway. As you drive down the roadway, there appears to be a puddle of water on the road several yards. So, yung pananaw sa unahan mo lang na tubig nga makita. Pero igduol ni mo dito, maduol na ka ng dapita nga sa ipananaw sa layo na tubig, mawala ra pud ang tubig. Tuwa na po siya sa unahan. Nag-abot ni mo sa unahan, wala gihapon dito ang tubig. So, that is an optical illusion. And that is called mirage. Mirage. Thank you so much. And as what it was being said, if you found science boring, then you're learning it from a wrong teacher. Bye-bye.